Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah, and today, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a guitar kind of Afro beat, like an Afro swing. Some nice guitars, some nice chord progressions. Just showing you guys basically how I approach making beats. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW to see the vibe we're definitely gonna come up with today. All right, so right now DAW, now the first thing I always do is to set up my tempo, because not setting up your tempo is just like starting blindly. So setting up your tempo just gives you a direction, and for me, I just love the chilled, calm vibe. So I'm just gonna set up my tempo, and the tempo I'm gonna be using for this beat is around 97 BPM. So quickly, I'm just gonna drag it here, to 97 BPM. Then the next thing is either I use my drums or I add up some melodies. So, but for this tutorial, I'm just gonna be using my melodies. I'm gonna start with my melodies, and I am going to be picking SKY keys to start with. Why I love SKY keys, the default sound is just amazing. This is amazing. All right, so the next thing is to arrange my chords, and I want to be working on the key of E flat. Let me see the chords I can just play around with and see what I can come up with. Let's see. Some nice minor chords. I love minor chords. Maybe this year I'm going to switch to play major, but yeah, I'm going to stick to the minor for now. All right, let's just record that. Yeah, so that's just what I'm going to use, and I just played this on the key of C. So I'm just going to Control Q to quantize it. And what quantization does, quantization, I don't know that there's anything like that, but what quantize does is just shift the note to the nearest grid. So I have this nice, but I say I want to play on the key of E flat. So all I just need to do is, this is our C, the E flat is 1 2 3, so I just need to hold my shift and take this up 3 semitones, 1 2 3, and yep, I'm on the key of E flat. Now we have this nice. And what I want to do most times is I like taking these middle notes an octave higher. So I'm just going to select all these middle notes right here, and let's take it an octave higher. Here what is it? So have this nice. So I have some nice, so just taking those middle notes of whatever triad chord you have, it's just going to give it an openness. Like, it's going to sound really nice having an open chords in your production. So the next thing I'm just going to do is to add in some vocal samples, and I love using Ida Boy's vocal sample, so I'm going to try to use that. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make let's put these chords. So we have like 8 bars, which is like a standard for an intro. So I want to make this unique and change, so the chord progression doesn't sound boring all through. So I take this. So I'm going to bring this down, and let's say, let me take this, let me delete this. So how do and with our vocal sample now and the chord, everything, so this sounds really nice. What any other thing I can do is just gonna make it sound more interesting, but with just our chords and our vocal, this is already like a good structure. Then the next thing is to layer some drums, and you can actually just build your drum from scratch, but it's actually good if you have some nice loops to just go over those loops and see how it fits into the vibe you're working with. So I have this nice pack from Killer Tunes called Wildfire. I'm just gonna preview some of the loops on the pack and see what we can actually get from the pack. So let's see. I love that loop. I love this loop, like back to back. So I'm just gonna drag this loop and let's see. Nice. So this is just the way, for me, this is the way I approach making beat. It's always fun, just don't take it serious, man. Just take it like you're having fun, like you're playing Tetris, like you're playing a game. So if something works, you keep it. If it doesn't work, you take it out. So putting in that drum loop now just works really well. I'm just gonna leave it. Then let's go to our one shot and see some nice one shot we could layer with this. So I think I want to go get some rim. Yeah, I like this rim shot. So let's drag this in and let's create the next pattern and call this rim. So with that, just put it down, and with my rim, what I want to do is just increase the velocity, and let's just play, see what we can come up with. Yeah. So let's see what if you can get another rim shot. Let's see. So I'm just gonna add in some swing, to give it some nice, really nice swing. And let's increase the swing all the way and see. So most times it's actually just good to exaggerate something, see what it's doing, then just pull it back a little. So that's what I'm gonna do. Exaggerate this. Nice. Then put in my soft clipper and I have this. So then let's just save this. Let's call this calm down. Next thing I can add in is my bass, and for the bass I want to be using clip sign bass. And in case you're struggling with which particular bass to use when making, you can actually just try out the various bass options you have. But definitely conga bass, if you have conga bass, it's a bass that's actually gonna fit anytime you're making beats. But for me, for this one, I just want to use the clip sign bass because I want to I really want that thick low end. So I'm gonna go over to the synth bass and the clip sign bass. Yeah, let's just bring down the volume a little bit and I'll just go with a slide instead. Nice, perfect. Nice. So what else can I add? I think I could add should I add like a guitar? So let's go add in some nice guitar, and I think I'm gonna be using like maybe the Ilia Ifemu's guitar. Yeah, so I think I'll take out these notes. Let's just have so let's just see the chord progression we can come up with. So this is the chord we're working with. Let's creating nice guitar is just all about strumming your notes. Let's see. Yeah, let's go with this. So you can see how I just easily just created something nice. I think I'll take this an octave lower. Let's see. So you can have it. Nice. Okay, yeah, so let's have it from the top. Nice. So let's see, you can just get some percussions you can layer it with. Yeah, so let's do this. I'm gonna start doing a little bit of mixing, so you can see that once you do a proper sound selection, as you're just adding everything, it's just sitting well, because you're actually selecting the right sound. You are selecting what just fits in with what you're doing. So I urge you guys to always spend time. I've hammered on this a lot. Just spend time making sure you're selecting the right sound, because once you can select the right sound, you're not even going to do any mixing. It gets a lot of questions, do mixing on how you mix your beat. Trust me guys, I don't really do a lot when it comes to mixing my beat. I just make sure I spend most of the time selecting the right sound. So I have this. Time. Let's see this. Nice, I think I like this, so I'm gonna put that also at the end over here. So I think we have like a vibe, and I think let's just listen to what we've created. Just having fun, creating vibes. So let's listen. I think I can add some reverb to that. Nice. So yeah, we just start with our chord. I have some nice guitar with it. So then with the vocal. So I can just change my kick and my bass. Yeah, so this is amazing. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is fire, and more amazing videos on just my creative process, how I go about having fun when making beats. For me, this is fire, and I'm sure definitely this is fire. So one thing I want you guys to do is let me know what kind of videos you guys will really love to see this year. So let me just, you guys should just say something in the comment section so I know the kind of vibe you really want to see this 2025, and I'm just gonna put that into consideration and work towards that. So I hope you actually got something from this video. If you did, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're here to subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And if you are here to join the Patreon and you want to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is in the description of this video. Join the Patreon, an amazing community where you get amazing freebies. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.